Seeing a check engine light pop up on your dashboard is enough to make anyone panic. But before you call a tow truck, you need to know what it is actually telling you. There is a massive difference between a solid check engine light and a flashing one. Knowing this difference can save your engine and your wallet. Let's start with the solid check engine light. If it comes on and stays on without blinking, it means the car's computer has detected a problem, but it is not an immediate emergency. A solid light often points to a minor sensor issue, an emissions problem, or even something as simple as a loose gas cap. You can still drive the car safely with a solid light. Just make a plan to get the diagnostic code read by a scanner as soon as you have time. Now, if that check engine light is flashing or blinking at you, that is a completely different story. A flashing light is a major distress signal from your engine. A flashing check engine light almost always means your engine is actively misfiring. This dumps raw, unburned fuel straight into your exhaust system. That raw fuel will quickly overheat and destroy your catalytic converter. That is an incredibly expensive repair that you want to avoid at all costs. If your light starts flashing while you are driving, pull over as soon as it is safe to do so and turn off the engine immediately. Do not keep driving. Do not ignore a flashing light hoping it will go away. Have the car towed to a shop to prevent thousands of dollars in severe engine and exhaust damage.